this video, you'll learn how to change your iCloud info such as Apple iCloud ID, iCloud email ID, username or iCloud password on your Apple devices within few clicks. How to change iCloud Apple ID on iPhone 14, 13, 12, 11X. Step 1. Directly open Safari browser on your iPhone and visit Apple ID, Apple.com. Step 2. On the new page, manage your Apple ID. Then sign in with your iCloud account using your Apple ID and password. Step 3. Now, you can click Edit option from the Apple ID and primary email address. Then type a new email ID that you wish to change in the blank area and tap Save. To save these settings. Step 4. Verify the new email ID in the inbox. Sign out of Apple ID on Safari. Step 5. Revisit appleid.apple.com. Sign in with the new Apple ID. In Settings iCloud. On the device, sign in with the new Apple ID and password. Step 6. Tap Merge and wait. Your new Apple ID is now active. Clicks to change iCloud email, password, username on iPhone. Change iCloud email on iPhone. Step 1. Go to Settings iCloud and tap your name. Here, you'll get the Apple ID window. Step 2. Choose Contact Information and continue to click Email Addresses. Add another email to add a new unused email ID. Step 3. When the above settings have done, you can click Done button. To save the changes on your iPhone, change iCloud password on iPhone. To change your iCloud password, go to Password and Security. Change password. Verify identity. Answer security questions. Click Verify at the top right. Enter the new password and click Change to save permanently. Change iCloud username on iPhone. When you see an interface like below, you can click Edit option to change the name you like.